Hi guys, so if Face ID has suddenly stopped working on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, don't worry, you are not alone, and in this video I'll show you a few easy fixes that usually solve the problem. Alright, let's start with the basics. Face ID works using sensors around the front camera. So first thing is clean up the top of your screen. You can do it using just soft cloth or just using the microfiber cloth, even toilet paper. So yeah, a fingerprint, dust or even a smudge can block the sensor and confuse Face ID. Just wipe it with a soft cloth and try again. Next, make sure nothing is covering your face. Hats, sunglasses or even holding the phone too close can throw it off. Try logging in good lighting to see if that helps. If not, let's go to the next step. Now, if Face ID is still not working, head into settings, open settings, then scroll down, find Face ID and a passcode. Here check if Face ID is turned on for the things you want to use it with, like unlocking your phone, Apple Pay or apps. If the toggle is off, turn it back on. For example, now I can lock my phone using Face ID, right? But if I'll disable unlocking by Face ID, now I can pay in my bank account using Face ID. I can do different things by Face ID, but I can't unlock my phone by Face ID. Okay, so it's a very important thing, and sometimes people accidentally disabling iPhone unlock with Face ID, and afterwards Face ID stops working, so you know. If it's already enabled, tap Reset Face ID and just set up Face ID again. Sometimes it helps. So you have alternate appearance, of course, but it's not about it. You can click. Yeah, it's here. Reset Face ID. Click on it, and you can set it up again. So just keep your face in the circle. Rotate your face several times and scroll. Face ID is complete. Click setup later and done, and now try it now, and now it should help you. If none of that helps, it could be a hardware issue, like damage to the sensor or damage the glass near the sensor. So yeah, if Face ID is not working, you should just go to Apple support, Apple customer service or official customer service, and they will help you. Okay, so yeah, just let's sum it all. So if Face ID is not working, start with cleaning the sensor area, check your settings, restart your device, update iOS. Most of the time one of these fixes will solve it. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment below. It really helps us to grow. Thank you for watching and bye.